Welcome back to Chattify English, family. Today, we're doing something big. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt nervous at an airport because you didn't know the English phrases?
Oh, yes. Airports can feel like another world, but today, you will not feel lost. Because in this lesson, we will teach you 10 airport English phrases you must know before your flight. These phrases will help you at check-in, security, boarding, and on the plane.
And I promise, after this video, you will travel with confidence, not fear. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together as a family.
Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Chattify English so you never miss our friendly travel lessons.
Hi everyone, I'm Arthur, your travel-loving English coach.
And I'm Arabilla, your friendly guide who always gets excited at airports, even at 5 a.m.
Together, we are your Chattify English family. So, Arabilla, are you ready for your flight today?
Ready? Yes. But my suitcase is, very full.
Very full? How full?
Let's just say, if I open it, everything might explode out.
Do you also bring 17 snacks again?
Arthur, listen. Traveling is emotional. Snacks help.
Family watching, tell us in the comments. Do you also overpack for trips? Yes or no? Today's story begins early in the morning. The sun is just rising. Arthur and Arabilla arrive at the airport for their flight to London. They both have coffee, big suitcases, and big smiles. Okay, Arabilla, here we go. Check-in counter number 32.
I'm always nervous here. What if they ask me something difficult?
Don't worry, let's practice. Phrase 1. I'd like to check in, please. Use this when you arrive at the airline counter.
Hello, I'd like to check in, please. Check-in agent. Sure. May I see your passport?
Here comes phrase 2. Phrase 2. Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Great. Do you have any bags to check? Phrase 3 enters. Phrase 3. Yes, I have one suitcase.
Yes, I have one suitcase, and it is a little heavy.
A little? It weighs more than me. Your bag is slightly overweight.
Oh no, again.
Don't worry. Learn this phrase. Phrase 4. How much is the extra fee? It's $20. Security is the place where most travelers feel confused, but with the right phrases, it's easy.
Please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag.
Okay. Phrase 5. Do I need to take off my shoes? Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. This always happens to me. Every time. My shoes come off and my socks have a hole.
Arthur, this airport is huge. Where is gate B12?
Let's ask someone. Phrase 6. Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Just follow the signs to the right.
Thank you. A soft announcement plays. Now boarding Group A for Flight 276 to London. Wait, what group are we?
Group B. Okay, almost our turn. Phrase 7. What group is boarding now?
Excuse me, what group is boarding now?
Group A. Group B will be soon.
Perfect. Let's get ready. The air smells like coffee and airplane seats. People place bags in overhead bins.
Welcome. Do you need help with your bag?
Oh, thank you.
Here's the next phrase. Phrase 8. Where is my seat?
Where is my seat?
Right here. 14A by the window.
Window seat, yes. Arthur, I have a small problem.
What's wrong?
My TV screen is not working.
Use this phrase. Phrase 9. Excuse me, my screen isn't working.
No problem. I will reset it. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, tea please.
And this is the final important phrase. Phrase 10. Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Of course.
And now, family watching. Which of these phrases do you think is the most useful? Tell us in the comments. Check in. Register for your flight. Example. I'd like to check in, please. Passport. Your travel ID. Example. Here is my passport. Gate. The place where you board the plane. Example. Where is gate B12? Overweight bag. Too heavy. Example. How much is the extra fee? Security check. Airport safety area. Example. Do I need to take off my shoes? Boarding. Entering the plane. Example. What group is boarding now? Window seat. Seat by the window. Example. I love a window seat. Flight attendant. Staff on the airplane. Example. The flight attendant helped me. Screen isn't working. Example. Excuse me, my screen isn't working. Water, please. Example. Can I have some water, please? Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in, please. Where is gate B12? Can I have some water, please?
Great! Now choose the correct answer. Question. A staff member says, Group C is now boarding. You say, A. Where is my passport? B. What group is boarding now? C. Do I need to remove my shoes? Correct answer, B. Now give your own example. Describe your last airport experience in one sentence.
As the plane takes off, the sky turns orange. Clouds look like soft cotton. Arthur and Arabilla relax into their seats.
Arthur, you know what? Airports used to scare me. So many signs, so many questions, so many people.
And now?
Now I feel calm because I know the words. I know how to ask for help. I know how to talk to staff. And I know that even if I forget something, I can always try again.
That's the magic of learning English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the right phrases and courage.
Thank you, Chattify English family, for learning with us today.
Here are the most important things you learned today. Airport English is simple when you know the 10 key phrases. Asking for help is normal and easy. Speaking slowly and clearly is always okay. Confidence comes from practice. You are never alone. We learn together.
Today's question is, what country would you love to fly to and why? Write your answer in the comments in 2 to 3 sentences. We read every comment.
Thank you for being part of our Chattify English family today. You did something powerful. You improved your English and your confidence.
Remember, every new phrase is a new door. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep dreaming.
See you in the next lesson, and until then,
Safe travels and happy learning.